Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best portable air conditioners in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best portable air conditioners in 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Stay cool and comfortable with the Whynter ARC 14S portable air conditioner, designed to deliver powerful and efficient cooling for rooms up to 500 square feet. With a 14,000 BTU cooling capacity, 9,500 BTU SACC, this 3-in-1 unit functions as an air conditioner, dehumidifier, and cooling fan, making it ideal for year-round climate control. The dual-hose system allows for faster cooling and improved energy efficiency by drawing in and expelling air more effectively than single-hose models. It can remove up to 71 pints of moisture per day, helping to maintain a dry, comfortable environment. Built with eco-friendliness in mind, the ARC 14S uses CFC-free green R32 refrigerant and a lead-free RoHS compliant design. The unit features a digital display, 24-hour programmable timer, and remote control for easy operation. A reusable air filter ensures clean air circulation, while the included window installation kit provides a quick setup with minimal effort. Ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices, the Whynter ARC 14S combines performance, convenience, and sustainability, keeping your space cool and comfortable even on the hottest days. Number 2. Stay cool and comfortable all summer long with the BLACK+DECKER 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner, designed for rooms up to 450 square feet. This powerful unit delivers fast and efficient cooling, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and more. With a compact, portable design and smooth gliding caster wheels, it's easy to move from room to room wherever relief is needed most. The unit features 3 operating modes: cool, fan, and dehumidify, giving you versatile control over your indoor climate. The LED digital display and intuitive remote control make it simple to adjust temperature settings, fan speed, and timer functions from across the room. With a 24-hour programmable timer and sleep mode, you can customize comfort while conserving energy. The self-evaporating system reduces the need to empty water tanks, while the slide-out washable filter ensures cleaner air. Setup is quick and easy with the included installation kit and window venting system. Finished in a clean, modern white exterior, the BLACK+DECKER portable air conditioner combines performance, convenience, and style in one efficient package, your perfect solution for personalized comfort throughout the warmer months. Number 3. AirZ Windowless portable air conditioner, compact cooling, maximum comfort. Stay cool and comfortable with the AirZ Windowless portable air conditioner, the perfect solution for rooms without windows. Measuring just 26.1 inches tall, this sleek and compact evaporative air cooler delivers powerful performance without the need for permanent installation or venting. Designed with 3 adjustable fan speeds and 4 versatile cooling modes, the AirZ lets you customize airflow to suit your comfort level. Whether you need a gentle breeze for sleep or a strong blast for hot afternoons, this unit adapts to your needs with ease. The built-in 7-hour timer helps conserve energy, while the included remote control allows you to change settings from across the room. Ideal for bedrooms, offices, dorms, or small apartments, the AirZ is both space-saving and highly efficient. Its water-based cooling system uses natural evaporation to lower temperatures, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. No exhaust hoses or window kits required, just plug it in, fill the water tank, and enjoy instant relief. Sleek, quiet, and easy to use, the AirZ Windowless air conditioner is your go-to cooling companion for any space that lacks traditional ventilation. Stay cool, anytime and anywhere. Number 4. Midea Duo 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner, ultra-quiet, smart cooling. Experience powerful and efficient cooling with the Midea Duo 12,000 BTU, 10,000 BTU SACC, high-efficiency inverter portable air conditioner. Designed to cool spaces up to 450 square foot, this unit combines performance and quiet operation, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices. Its advanced inverter technology ensures energy-efficient cooling while reducing noise levels to an ultra-quiet 42 dB, letting you relax or work in peace. The Midea Duo's dual-hose system enables faster, more even cooling compared to traditional portable ACs. The unit is equipped with a built-in Wi-Fi module, allowing you to control temperature, modes, and fan speed remotely via the Midea Air app or through voice commands using Alexa or Google Assistant. Its sleek design and easy glide wheels make moving the unit a breeze, while the self-evaporating system and washable air filter ensure low maintenance and cleaner air. Whether it's a hot summer day or you just want a little extra comfort, the Midea Duo delivers dependable, intelligent climate control. Stay cool, stay smart, with the Midea Duo Portable Air Conditioner, the next generation of home cooling. Number 5. Stay cool and comfortable all summer with the Drio Portable Air Conditioner, a compact yet powerful cooling solution designed for bedrooms and small spaces. With an 8,000 BTU, ASHRAE/5,000 BTU, DOE, cooling capacity, this smart AC unit delivers fast and effective cooling without the hassle of permanent installation. Its drainage-free design ensures a truly low-maintenance experience, using an advanced self-evaporative system to remove moisture efficiently. At just 45 dB, the Drio AC operates quietly, making it ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, or home offices where peace is essential. Enjoy full control of your climate with multiple options. Use the Drio app, voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant, or the included remote control for seamless operation from anywhere in the room. Built for convenience, this portable unit features smooth gliding wheels and a compact form that fits easily into tight corners. Whether you're cooling your space during a summer heat wave or improving indoor air comfort year-round, the Drio Portable AC combines efficiency, smart features, and quiet performance in one sleek package. Upgrade your home's comfort with Drio, ***, where smart cooling meets effortless convenience, ***.